mi gente, how's it going? My name is Timba Heat, and in this video we're going to combine the 3 Cruzado variations that we learned into one cool little fun routine. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright mi gente, before we begin, let me show you a quick demo of how adding the 3 Cruzado variations with music looks like. Here we go. Alright mi gente, right into it. Let's begin. We're going to start off with some motor cruzado and then go straight into wapea cruzado, and then after that, lateral cruzado. Nice and slow, doing this in a linear perspective. We're going to start off with the left leg. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, una más, and then 1, 2, 3, wapea cruzado. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 y 1, 2, 3, lateral cruzado. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 y 1, 2, 3. Somos uno, cruzado en 1. Wapea, cruzado en 1. Lateral, cruzado en 1. Y ahí nada más. Alright mi gente, you know the routine. Make sure you keep your knees relaxed at all times and also center your weight so you won't slip and fall or hurt yourself, alright? When adding these 3 cruzado variations, it can get a little tricky of the weight distribution, so make sure you center your weight, alright? Let's do this in half time with the music and then full speed. Here we go. Half time. 5, 6, somos uno, cruzado. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Wapea, cruzado. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, lateral, cruzado, en 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, allí nada más. All right, here we go, double time. You ready? 5, 6, double time, cruzado, 1, wapea, cruzado y 1. 5, 6, 7, 2, lateral, cruzado. Again, here we go. Somos uno, cruzado. Wapea, cruzado. Lateral, cruzado. All right, here we go again. One more. Alright mi gente, that will conclude our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. To support the channel, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification to be the first ones to know when a brand new video is uploaded to the channel. If you haven't seen our previous videos, there'll be a nice playlist right here for you, so you can check out all the cool moves that we learned and then add this fancy combination into your back pocket. Also, drop a comment down below and tell me what was your favorite moment for this video and what are you looking forward to in the upcoming lessons. Until then, my name is Siebert. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.